Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephany, and for today's video, we are checking out RONGRONG'S February sub box in the self-love theme. I will have the link down in the description box below, so you guys can sign up for it because January's sub box was a total success. I just love seeing everyone receive theirs and create the most beautiful spreads. So if you're already signed up for it, then you are good to go. You don't need to do anything. You're going to be receiving this one in the next week or so. But if this is the first time that you're going to be signing up for it, you're able to choose between a 3-month plan, which is $130, or a 6-month plan, which is $220. Both options do offer free shipping, and so each month you'll receive a 19-page monthly planning kit, which does include functional pages, decorative pages, washi paper, and vellum as well. And then you'll also receive a stylish pen and one pre-cut 3.0 PET tape as well. And I do believe that you have until March 14th to sign up for this specific one, but I'll go ahead and confirm down below. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get into it because the packaging is amazing, the theme is amazing, and actually, speaking of packaging, RONGRONG is going to change it up, I believe around July, so definitely keep that in mind. But the packaging as of right now is so beautiful. There's everything that you're going to receive. And so let me go ahead and open this off camera. That way we're not listening to all of the crinkles. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick little flip through, but be sure to come back for a separate plan with me using these items. But for now, let's go ahead and start with the 19-page monthly planning kit. Here is the cover page, and of course, it is just so beautiful. And then we're going to start with the functional and the decorative boxes here in the front. I treat my body with love and respect. And then we do have some headers. So today, work, goals, to do, personal appointment, and lots of bullet points down at the bottom. And then we're going to have the days of the week, the numbers, and more bullet points down at the bottom. And then we do have some alpha and number stickers along with this beautiful washi. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then we are going to get into the clear matte stickers so I can buy myself flowers. And of course we have the beautiful fashion dolls, the florals, the balloons, the pajamas, the purse, the makeup, just all of the things. And so make yourself a priority. And we do have all of the books and the planners and the drinks and the headphones, everything that we might need to make ourselves a priority, right? And then we do have I fill my own cup. The way you speak to yourself matters. Isn't that just so true? And so we have the vanity, the couch, the florals, the drinks, the perfume, the makeup, and just all of the things. I treat myself with love and respect, self-love club, and then some beautiful florals, the bed, the wine, and then we are going to get into the washi paper. So let's actually, okay, there we go. So we do have different sizes and different patterns, and this is the very first page because we also get a second page with different prints and different sizes as well. And here we have the vellum. So let me actually get the backing, that way we can see it a little bit better. And here is the very first one, and this one is just so beautiful. I am loving the pinks, the different patterns, the flowers, so very, very pretty. Then we have the purple polka dots. You can definitely never go wrong with polka dots. Here we have this beautiful print that we just saw in the washi, right? And last but not least, we have this one. It's just so rich in color, so just dark and very beautiful. Oh my gosh, love that one. And then we do have the decorative paper. So here is this purple pattern, and this paper is not too thick, which is amazing. That way it doesn't bulk up our planners or our journals, and the back is plain. And then we have this one with the flowers in the corner and the polka dots, but they're pink this time, so definitely loving this one. And then we have this purple print here. And last but not least, we have this one, and of course it is just as beautiful. So that is the 19-page planning kit. So I love that we get a variety of like the regular sticker paper for all of those functional and decorative boxes. Then we do get the clear matte stickers, and we get the washi paper along with the decorative pages and the vellum as well. So lots and lots of pages included. And then we also get the stylish pen, which is this beautiful dark red color, because for for January, if you guys remember, it was a beautiful like off-white, pearl white type of color. So this one is just as beautiful, and I love that they include this one with the zip box. So let's go ahead and get into the 3.0 PET tape. I love that it's in 3.0, so just a little bit better quality, but here we see all of the stickers that we just saw, but we get so many of them, and some are bigger, some are smaller, and we get a whole roll. So definitely loving the theme, loving the sub boxes so far. So I cannot wait to see all of the themes. Each month is going to be different, and so I am excited. So be sure to come back for a separate plan with me video. That way we can use all of these pretty stickers, and be sure to sign up for it. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.